हेलो नमस्कार। खुश रहो बच्चों। आई एम जेवीएन डॉक्टर शाहनवाज आलम, असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर of Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. Today we discuss about the most important concept of statistics, measurement of locations. The measure of locations portray the central locations of varying data value. The concept of location is applicable to a sample as well as to a population. Meaningful function of sample value can be used as a sample location measure, such as a measure is expected to locate the central part of the data. Naturally, a measure that uses each and every sample value is more significant in medical and other applications. The process for making decision sample are a significantly selected the value of variable. The sample information is then summarized through its relevant quantities, mean, median, and modes, percentile, and standard deviation, etc. The mean, mode, and median are measures of location. Quartile, decile, and percentile summarize information about the ranking of the value of a variable. That means that shows that partition of variables. They can consider as generalization of median. A crucial statistical concept is that of variability or dispersion in the distribution of the value of a variable. The standard deviation and coefficient of variation are two common measures of variability or dispersion. But in that lecture, we will only discuss the variability, not variability, but only measurement of locations. That means the mean, median, and modes. And second lecture, we will discuss about the variability and dispersion. That means percentile, decile, quartile, standard deviation, and coefficient of standard deviation. It is so that first, mean or average. You can also say the mean as average, the arithmetic mean or average of n observations. X bar is simply the sum of the observations divided by the number of observations. Generally, we find out the average or mean, the sum of all the observations divided by number of observations. And median. The median is defined, the mean is, the median is defined as the middle part of the orders. It is estimated by first order the data for smallest to largest and then counting upward for half of the observations. The estimate of the median is either the observation at the center of the order. In the case of an odd number of observations, or the sample average of the middle two observations if the total value of observation is even. More specifically, If there are an odd number of observations, it is the n plus 1 divided by 2 observations. And if there are an even number of observations, it is the average of n by 2 and n by 2 plus 1 one observation. Advantage and disadvantage of medians for the measurement of locations. The major advantage of mean is that it uses all the data value and is in the statistical sense efficient. The main disadvantage of mean is that it is valuable or outlier. Outliers are the single observations which, if excluded from the calculations, have noticeable influence on the results. For example, if you had entered 21 instead of 2.1 in the calculation of mean in In example first, we would find the mean change 1.5 kg to 7.98 kg. It does not necessarily flow. However, that outlier should be excluded from the final data summary, or that always the result from a numerous measurements. The medium has also advantage that it is not affected by outliers. So, for example, the median in the example would be unaffected by replacing the 2.1 with 221. However, it is not statistically significant as it does not make use of all the individual data values. Modes. The third measure of locations is the modes. This is the value that occur most efficiently, or if the data are grouped, the grouping with the highest frequency. It is not used much in statistical analysis since it is value depend upon the accuracy with which the data are measured. Although it may be useful for categorical data to describe the most frequent category, the expressions bimodal distribution is used to describe a distribution with two peaks in it. This can be caused mixing the populations. For example, height might appear the bimodals if one had men or women on the populations. Some illness may raise the bimodal measures. So, in a population containing healthy illness people or might expect a bimodal distribution. However, some illnesses are defined by the measures, and in this case the distribution are usually unimodals. Thank you.